Hello student, welcome to history class. From last video we starting the lesson number 12, progression of the empire. In that video we completed some points. Now let us start. Here we see the picture of Shinde Chhatri Vanawadi Pune. Here you see the picture Shinde Chhatri Vanawadi Pune. The navy raised by Shivaji Maharaj was strengthened by Kanoji Angre and his son Tulaji. With the strong navy, they contained the naval powers of the Portuguese, the British and the Siddhis. They defend the coastline of the Maratha state. Khanderao Dabade and his son Trimbakrao laid the foundation of Maratha power in Gujarat. After the death of Khanderao, his wife Umabai routed the Mughal Sardar of Ahmedabad. She conquered the fort there. Later, the Gaikwad made Vadodara in Gujarat a seat of their power. The power of Dhar and Devas in Madhya Pradesh rendered valuable assistance to Shinde and the Holkar in expanding the Maratha power in north. In this way, the Maratha state was in the disarray after the death of Peshwa Madhavrao. Nana Fadnavis, the famous administrator of the Peshwas and Maratha statesman, set right the affairs of the state with the help of Mahaji. While Mahaji was busy restoring the Maratha supremacy in the north, Nana managed the affairs of the south. In this he was played by the Patvardhans, Haripant Phadke, the rest of the other Sardars. As a result of this, Maratha supremacy was established in the south. The Holkar of Indore, Bhosle of Nagpur, Shinde of Gwalior, Gaikwad of Vadodara brought glory of Maratha power on the basis of their valor, leadership, qualities and capability. In this student, last point, the Holkar of Indore, Bhosles of Nagpur, Shindes of Gwalior, Gaikwads of Vadodara brought glory of the Maratha power on the basis of their valor, leadership, qualities and capabilities. They were pillars of the Maratha power in the last page. Glory means growth of Maratha power. Then they were pillars of the Maratha power in last phase. The Marathas Sardar were successful in establishing the influence of the Maratha power both the north and south India. After the death of Mahaji Shinde and Nana Fadnavis, the Maratha power began to wane. At the time, Bajirao II, the son of Raghunath Rao, was the Peshwa. He did not have leadership qualities and had many vices. He was unable to unite the Maratha Sardar. The internal strife between the Sardar weakened their power. During the reign of Bajirao II, the Maratha influence in the north and south went further. The British replaced the Marathas. The British captured Pune in 1817. She hosted their flag Union Jack there. In 1880, British defeated Marathas in the Battle of Asti in Solapur district, and finally the Maratha power came to an end. This event marked the major change in the history of India. This event marks a major change. After this, the British managed to gain control over the major part of India, came into the contact with Western world. That led to many changes in India's social system. Many old things became redundant or well pushed aside. This was the major transformation. The major change took place. The medieval period of India history came to an end. The modern period began. Here complete our lesson.